Today we have a first look at the 2023 Adidas Yeezy 350 Pirate Black. As you all know, the Yeezy line has been a major hit since its debut in 2015. Kanye West and Adidas created a partnership where he designs and releases shoes under the Yeezy line. But according to the patent and design ownership, it seems like Adidas designed the shoes the entire time, which we'll get back to that later. But first, let's take a look at some exciting news. Reports are swirling that Kanye West and Adidas are in talks to sell the remaining pairs of Yeezys. While it's not confirmed just yet, it's definitely something we're going to keep our eye on. If the deal does go through, we could see re-releases of some of the past Yeezy models as well as some new designs with Yeezy branding. Now, the importance of this release is, as sneakerheads, we never thought that this sneaker would actually come to life with the split between Adidas and Kanye West. With that being said, the anticipation for this release is now at an all-time high. Now let's dive into the 2023 Yeezy 350 Pirate Black. The Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 Pirate Black is often considered the most popular colorway of Kanye West's collaboration with Adidas due to its unique black texture and red heel tab accents. Originally released on August 22nd, 2015, this shoe features a prime knit upper and TPU sole with full-length Boost foam cushioning, making it both stylish and comfortable. One of the reasons why the Pirate Black is one of the most sought after Yeezys, one of the most popular colorways, is because it can easily be dressed up or dressed down. Now, according to CNBC, Adidas would lose 1.2 billion euros in revenue in 2023 if it couldn't sell existing Yeezy stock. Now, this left Adidas wondering what to do with all this Yeezy inventory. And it's rumored that a short-term or possibly maybe a long-term partnership could reemerge. Now, this is where we need you, the community. Let us know what you would like to see. 1. Adidas and Kanye West back to normal. 2. A short-form partnership for a final Yeezy release. 3. No collaborations at all from the two. Now, my personal opinion on this is I plead the fifth, but would love to hear all of your comments as you are the community here on the channel. And thank you for tuning in to another episode of Sneaker Huddle. We would love to have you as part of the family. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and look to see the Pirate Black 350s release possibly very, very soon.